And here we are. We're going to diagnose a Citroen C5 2.2 2007 VTX Plus. If you notice, I didn't turn the ignition off because I'd just done it just beforehand. Now I'm going to have some faults, but I'm only really interested this time with the injection, which is the engine ECU. So, yeah, we don't currently have an engine management light on, so I'm not expecting any of the faults on the injection to be serious. Yeah. Okay. So we'll go on the injection. So we've got comms. Okay. Do not risk. So we're going to go fault reading. Faults being read. Okay. So flow meter, turbo, cruise control between. Alright, so I don't believe, even though they're telling me that they are permanent faults, but let's go down. Okay, so that's the one, the preheating, that's the permanent fault. Yeah, so I'm gonna expect, yeah, that fault, p1351. Yeah, so let's go out of that and we'll go erasing vehicle mileage. Okay, we've got a problem with the keyboard, so we're gonna bring up a virtual keyboard. Yeah, 332. Actually, I'm not quite sure what's happened there. Yeah, so here we are. Yeah, it's not really the real mileage of the car. Yeah, switch off the ignition, 12 seconds, fault erasing in progress. Yeah, seconds are up. Switch the ignition on and there are no more faults. Okay, press the return key. Yeah, so we'll come out of that menu. So we go fault reading and we'll see if those were permanent faults. No fault found, but I do know that when I start the car, yeah, which I've done, and the engine management light has gone out. Obviously the speedo is reading minus figure for the sharp-eyed. Yeah, so I'm gonna go there and read the faults. Yeah, so that's the one I'm concerned with. The relay circuit supplied and plugs, that's the glow plugs. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to change that relay. Yeah, I've got the relay. Yeah, so the other quick one is, let's minimize the virtual keyboard. Yeah, and we'll go down to the suspension and just have a quick look at that fault. Yeah. And suspension, no communication, incorrect value, and it's saying permanent faults, so I'm gonna erase them. There are no more faults, so much for being a permanent fault. Whoops, I didn't mean to do erasing again, I wanted to do reading. Yeah, so no fault found. Yeah, so basically I've got out of there. My suspension, my injection still shows a fault, and tomorrow I'm going to show how to change the glow plug relay.